Hi guys, we've got eyes on the E-mini. We've got a 60-minute chart up. It's about mid-London session and it's the 28th of October 2020. Just had a nice intraday move go through. We'll check out the last 4 hours here and you can see that it's headed south. Nice intraday movement. It's the sort of movement that we want to be catching if we're an intraday trader. How would we have read our way into that trade, and especially how would we have read our way in or navigated our way in using Fibonacci's, which are my preferred weapon of choice. Come out to the bigger picture for a second. I've got my Fibonacci-Angle-Fan laid up. You can see, cast here from this turn in the market, it's caught a reasonable number of edges of this movement sideways. There's a lot of symmetry going on here, which is seemingly defined by the wedge that it's in. For instance, I take that top line there, put it through, and parallel that through. You can see that there's some nice symmetry going on with that line, with that gradient. Similarly, if I take this wedge line and I bring it through, you can see there's some nice symmetry going on there. And in particular, tonight's trade, what we've got is a double top and a downtrend. Look at that. And if we flick that to a line chart, how nearly perfect is that? Remembering, of course, that a double top in a downtrend is a really, really powerful chart reading point. Now, say we're into that trade, the next thing that becomes obvious to ask is where is that going to pull up and where might we want to have eyes on a take profit level. So if we carry the same logic forward about paralleling whatever wedge it's in, I'll just make this a different color so we can really see what's going on here. Now, price has dropped into this wedge here. We'll take a parallel of the bottom line and we'll lay it up on whatever is near support and resistance, and if we lay it up over here, because really that is the only pivot point that we've got to lay this line up on that's in sort of near proximity, and we can see where this has pulled up this move. This example, of course, is really all about showing the power of Fibonacci gradients, and I certainly find them a must-have navigational tool for my chart reading, mainly because they're all real-time indicators and not lagging. If Fibonacci gradients are something you'd like to know more about, check out the other videos in my Fibonacci Angles series or check out the links below.